updates from Universal Studios Florida, plus... Hey, what's going on everybody? Rick here, and the plus is going to be, what does it feel like to be at Studios after 5 days at being at Epic? But I can't answer that right now. I just got here. You have to wait till the end of the video for those thoughts. But what I can show you right now is that all of the construction walls have been removed from the new retail experience they're building here in CityWalk. Looking very, very Nintendo-like right now, isn't it? Also some type of flooring or concrete or underground work being done right there by the escalators. So the escalators to the second level of CityWalk are closed. CityWalk is having a Cinco de Mayo celebration. May 5th, of course. 1 p.m. to midnight, free admission. It's Anahitos and Jimmy Buffett's Margaritaville are participating. Live entertainment, DJ dancing, and exclusive drink offerings on Cinco de Mayo. There's a Universal Stars performance happening right now on the waterfront stage. This type of stuff usually happens during school break times, and we're still sort of in Easter break. It's just a week after Easter, so the performance happening, and I expect elevated crowd levels, but let's go find out for ourselves. The Universal store here in CityWalk has a very nice Butterbeer season display. Sharp looking. And the Marauders map window display is looking really good too. Universal does a great job with these displays. The NBC Sports Grill and Brew looks like they're having a big Kentucky Derby viewing party on May 3rd, noon to 8 p.m. I think I said wait till the end for my view about how does it feel to be back at Studios after being at Epic for 5 days. I think I'll just share my thoughts throughout the day as they come to me. My first thought is how nice it is at Studios to have CityWalk right outside of the theme park. You know, Epic's over there by itself, sort of isolated. I think maybe there's future plans for a CityWalk 2.0 over there, but it does feel isolated versus over here having the shopping and the entertainment and the restaurants. Studios has the arch there and the globe as its icons, and Epic has Kronos Tower. They're all great. So right now let's pass under the arch and head into the old childhood neighborhood. Must be expecting a large crowd today as every entry point is being used by Universal today. So Miss America, the person working the scanners as I came in, she said yesterday was super busy, but she expected today just to be like a medium crowd level day. The old Studio Suite store and the old photography shop still under renovations. They did not get those completed in the 5 days that I was gone to Epic. By the way, all of the Epic content that I've produced so far is linked in the description box. Go check it out if you haven't seen it yet. The Universal Studio store at the front of the park might have new banners. I never see anyone doing these bubble wand spots. 10:30 a.m. and Minion Mayhem is a 55-minute wait. The Wicked store is still here. The second Wicked movie comes out November 21st, I believe. There's Scooby and Shaggy sneaking around the corner. I guess making sure there's no monsters about. So it looks like the Brown Derby has shut down again. It was open as a sales spot for team members and pass holders, but looks like they're done with that. Inside the Five and Dime they have a Frankenstein and Bride of Frankenstein statue photo opportunity, but over at Epic they have the real characters over there. No evidence of a Jaws 50th anniversary summer tribute store just yet. Not even sure if it's going to go in this location though. There's something up in Central Park I'm going to show you right here in a second. Seeing the Central Park crepes stand makes me think back to the Butterbeer Crepe I had in the Wizarding World there in Paris at Epic. That Butterbeer Crepe is amazing. You'll see that in a video later this week. Now to show you what's up in Central Park. It is the Lou Wasserman statue. That's what's up or in this case, backup. He had been gone for a while, but he has returned. There is a penny on his shoe. What's up with that? Is that like some type of good luck thing? You put a penny on a statue's shoe or foot? Never heard of it. The last time I was here, there were construction walls over there. They are now down, as expected, because the sensational nighttime fountain show has returned. The orchids at the villas are looking more spectacular than the last time I was here. Over that way is DreamWorks Land. Before you get in there, there's this wait time signboard, and it only shows the wait times or the show times for what's happening in DreamWorks Land, not anything else in the park. Just realize that. Look at that, E.T.'s at a nice little wait time at just 10 minutes. There's Shrek, but no Fiona. Where could she be? Over at Epic? Maybe. Let's head to Springfield. Something came across my Twitter feed regarding Springfield. I'll mention it when we get inside. I did not actually read the post or the article. Most likely it was clickbait, but I didn't click. I didn't take the bait. Something about Disney World is going to go forward with a small Simpsons area at the Magic Kingdom. I don't know. Have you guys seen that? I feel like the #1 contender as far as an IP to replace Springfield here at Studios would be Pokemon. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. I think Miss America was right. A medium level crowd level today, but I haven't checked too many wait times yet. Just Despicable Me, Minion Mayhem. We'll check some more along the way. But the walking around crowd seems easy to manage. 10:55 a.m. and the Simpsons ride is a 25-minute wait. Looking past the Midway Games, like this way here, we can see the Halloween Horror Nights tents. Occasionally people ask, what do you think about, you know, HHN, Halloween Horror Nights, going to Epic? And I'm going to tell you it's never ever going to happen. Universal Studios will be the permanent home to Halloween Horror Nights, but maybe Epic Universe will get a premium after hours Halloween event. If Universal's management was smart, they'd be working on those plans right now. Inside of the CocaCola Refreshment Center by MIB and elsewhere around the park, we have Coca-Cola just came out with a new promotion, so now we have a new Coke Freestyle Cup. Well, there's been some progress on the restroom renovation outside of London. It's getting its commercial wrap now. Oh boy, here we go into Studios Wizarding World after 5 days of Epic's Wizarding World. What am I going to think about this? Here's a fun fact that's in a video I have not released yet, but I'll go ahead and share it now. The smallest building in Epic's Wizarding World is taller than the tallest building here in London's. And that includes the Gringotts Bank with the dragon on top. A little less spacious in here than over at Epic. But I mean, this is... Diagon Alley looks like you just walked into the movie. All of the Wizarding Worlds are awesome. They're all a little different, but all awesome. There are some wands over in Epic at Cosme Acajou that are only sold there. You can't get them over here in London. Pretty short line for Butterbeer, so yeah, Miss America knows her crowd levels. Not too bad. I just had a random thought, so I thought I would share Rick's random thoughts. Universal Orlando definitely needed a third gate, a third theme park with Epic, but I don't think Disney needs a 5th gate. They don't need another theme park. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Harry Potter and the Escape from Gringotts, the only ride in Diagon Alley, is only a 35-minute wait. Into San Francisco, where things have been removed and things have been added. I'm talking specifically about drinks at Chez Alcatraz. Gone from Chez Alcatraz, Yingling. What's the new beers, my friend?
Red Seal ale. It's more on like a lager taste here. It's from North Coast, San Francisco, Fort Bragg to be exact. We also have the Stellar IPA. It's about 6.8% alcohol by volume. We also have the Springfield Pilsner, which is more on the Miller, like a Miller Lite, Bud Light maybe, or even Coors Light. 5.3% by volume, so it's a little bit stronger than that. Yeah, we just tried all these new ones, and then we also have a sangria. I don't know how to work with that quite yet.
Are you selling like a flight as well?
We do. We have a flight. It's going to be, I think it's three 8-ounce pours of either. Well, you have to get one of each.
Right.
You want to try each one.
Right.
To make sure that you know which one you want to get on the return.
So there you go. The next time you visit Chez Alcatraz, try the new beers. Alrighty, into New York City. In the Epic Universe video that is linked below, I tried Pizza Moon. Let's be fair and give Louis another try today. Classic Louis pizza. I went with pepperoni today because it looked like it just came out of the oven, whereas the cheese pizza looked like it had been sitting there for a while. So I went with the fresher option. All done with lunch, and as we talk here, I'll put up some pictures of the pizza I had at Pizza Moon. I do still love Louis as a theme park New York style pizza, but Pizza Moon is way better. And they offer like a large variety of pizzas. One of them, the pizza crust turns purple, I guess when it's baked or made or whatever. But Louis is still a very nice New York style pizza. But I think Pizza Moon is a better value as well. So when you're here, get your New York style pizza, but be sure to visit Pizza Moon when you're at Epic Universe. Love it.
Back from their world tour of the subcontinent, Mayo, everybody's Asia.
I love the street shows here at Studios. Nothing like this at Epic. The street shows are phenomenal here at Studios. A 40-minute wait for my favorite ride at Universal Studios Florida, Revenge of the Mummy. Remember how I mentioned a Coca-Cola promotion? It continues here in New York, this time in the form of a food truck. Cola glazed ribs for $13. Backyard barbecue tacos, $13. Share a pineapple, $5.29. And some drinks over here. Of course, they all feature Coca-Cola in the drink. So apparently this opened up while I was spending time at Epic. Which roller coaster is a rougher ride? Studios, Rip Ride Rocket, or Epic's Minecart Madness? That's a trick question. It's a tie. So honestly, and basically, Studios still feels like home to me, but Epic is starting to feel that way too. A lot of familiar faces over there. Team members who used to work here and at Islands are also working over there, and I haven't seen them in a while, so it's good to see those familiar faces again. So I'm just, I have multiple homes now, 3 homes, Islands, Studios, and Epic. But you have to forgive me, I have to leave right now. I have to go pick up my tux. My daughter is getting married in a few days. We'll see you next time, guys. Don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun.